Well, hello and welcome back. It's me again. So we have only a few days left to finish the bike, so let's not waste any more time. As you can see, I have changed this plastic around the radiator. This is done. Now I'm going to continue with the exhaust, then the fuel tank and so on. Let's do this. So the exhaust is on, and also I prepped the fuel tank, attached all these rubber pieces and so on, and now it's ready for assembly. So we'll start with the fuel tank. So it's update time. Rear mud guard and heat guard here are installed. Fuel tank is on, everything is secured. And I also installed this AEM factory fuel tank cap. I especially spec'd it for this bike. So we have black main piece with black logo, golden aka yellow ring here, black cap with silver knobs. So everything should match perfectly. So it's coming together nicely. I installed these plastics here, rear end plastics. Also, some really angry bird is outside. This oil cap from AEM factory, bar ends, also, come on, these levers. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's really angry bird outside. And this cap from AEM factory. Now I will be continuing with this rear part. I will polish it and put it on. So it's getting messier and messier by the minute here. I have polished a few parts already, but I will continue polishing the front nose part, wing hanger, these lower panels and so on. I will polish them and throw them on the bike. Then I will continue with the tire lettering. Bike is coming together nicely. Wait, what's outside going on? Garbage truck. I have never seen how they pick it up. Cool, now I've seen it. Anyway, the bike is coming together nicely. I installed the seats. I should get the tail tidy from Futurismoto today. Should arrive soon. Also, soon should arrive this upper clamp from AEM, guys. I will have the first one in the world from AEM. Really excited to see it. And now I'm going to install the tire letterings on the tires. Definitely the work that I don't like. Wrong would be say that I hate it, but well, I don't like it. It just takes too much time. Once it's done, the tire letters give quite much character to the bike, so let's do it. So why I don't like the installing of tire letters and why it takes so long. First off, I'm going to lay them down to see if I have all the letters and everything is correct. Then I lay them on the tire to have the perfect alignment and so on. Then you take the letter and the glue. Then you need to put the glue on the other side nicely. And then you try to place it in the correct place. And one letter done. There's to do. So it's getting quite messy again, but I installed front fender, calipers, everything in the front, and also bleeded the brakes. And now I'm changing this upper clamp. Unfortunately, I don't have the special tool for this thing. It just didn't arrive in time, so I cannot change this, although I have titanium piece from AEM to replace the original one. But unfortunately, I'm going to leave this one and put this nice triple clamp from AEM here. So I could say the bike is ready now, clutch is installed, rear tail tidy from Futurismo is also installed. This is like 3D printed pre-production model from him, because the actual production model is not ready yet. Big thanks to Futurismo for providing this piece, looking nice as always. But yeah, there are the new ramps that just arrived. There is this front wheel chock, or whatever the word was, the new word for me. Today is a little bit rainy day, but hope that in few hours it stops raining. Then we have to transport the bike to Ducati. So let's start unloading. Not unloading, loading. Loading, unloading. Come on, Mr. English. So the bike is loaded, everything seems to be okay, except the weather. I would definitely prefer if the weather would be better. It is what it is. L1 seiklus, let's go! So we finally made it to Ducati Austin, to this open house event. I'm really thankful to Ducati Austin family and Vito especially for letting me be here and showcase the bike. I understand that people love the build, love the quality, love the design. So fingers crossed that the US market is going to react really well on my designs and my build. Let's enjoy the evening. We are also, after this event, we are going to MotoGP. There I won't unload the bike because they have some kind of cooperation with Aprilia there, but I will have the bike in my truck, so let's see what people think about it.
Oh!
That's why I'm pushing.
So we are back home, ready to unload the bike. The event was really cool. Met lots and lots of nice people. It was nice to see that people loved the bike, loved the build quality, asked lots of questions about the parts and so on. As you can probably see, it's still a little bit raining. At the end, I think it was actually good because this forced people inside the shop, and as the bike was inside the shop, then everybody saw the bike. I'm really satisfied with the event and how everything went. Really successful night, I think. The bike turned out really nice also. But we are ending for today. Tomorrow we are going to MotoGP. I think tomorrow is Friday. We are not going to take the bike tomorrow because it should be raining, but Saturday, Sunday, bike should be at MotoGP. So good night. We are heading back from COTA to city. Today we didn't take the bike to track because in the morning it was raining again, and we just wanted to visit the track, see the event, how things are organized, where we should park and so on. In the morning we didn't know anything about this event, but now we a little bit understand what's going on there. It was nice to see there were so many tents, the vendors selling all kinds of stuff. Well, yeah, t-shirts, helmets, cycle gear, collectibles, whatever. Whatever you want, you can buy there. But unfortunately, the helmet that I want, there was not my size available, so we are heading to Cycle Gear shop at the moment. Hopefully I will get the helmet. All motorcycle brands out with these tense bikes there, standing BMW, KTM, Honda, Ducati with large, obviously this Ducati Island area. Also we visited we went up in this tower to see the track from up, a crazy noise up there. Really crazy sound that these MotoGP bikes do. But yeah, it was nice to see, really big event. I didn't know it was that big, but probably Saturday and Sunday would be totally crazy because these are the main days. And tomorrow and Sunday it's going to be nice weather also. But yeah, now we're heading to the city to get the helmet, and let's get ready for tomorrow. Yo, it's Saturday now. Today we brought the bike also. As we came pretty early in the morning, we were lucky to get really good spot for the bike. So our bike is the first one in the line. Thanks for the organizers who allowed us to put it there. Lots of people, lots of bikes. In 5 minutes, the qualifying starts. In 3 minutes, then actually, yeah, 3 minutes. Then we're going to hear crazy sounds again the whole day. So ears are going to hurt. But yeah, I'm just answering people's questions, showing the bike, and let's see what the day brings. So I'm extremely tired of the sun. I have to say this is the first really sunny and warm day after our arrival. So this is Texas sun, I believe. Crazy. Anyway, the first day here with the bike went well. And now we're going to load the bike on truck and go home to come back tomorrow. Good morning. Today is the race day. Luckily there are clouds because I am fully burned. Yesterday was crazy. So again, we got the best spot. Today here is some kind of eating area, and the main race starts at 2 o'clock. So long day again, and let's see, our seats are up there. I think maybe we will go there to check the race, but maybe we will stay in the Ducati area. Let's see. Thank God for the clouds. Okay. So the race is over, everybody are packing up, also me, going to put on my new helmet and head out. Met many interesting people today, also met Fastlane D here. Hopefully my bike is also in his next video. Thank you all for watching, click like and subscribe, and see you next time.